is on Shatta, Wale and Bulldog. My people, yesterday night, around 10:30 thereabouts, I just received some message. Before I check, I see writ of summons. And my people, in fact, I haven't been very honest with you. I knew the writ was coming. But I knew. I was one of the few people who knew that Bulldog had taken a lawyer and a writ was coming straight to Shatta Wale. But I didn't have the permission to speak about it, so I didn't. But anyway, my people, the writ has landed, and Bulldog has sued Shatta Wale in court. Now, Bulldog's lawyer is a very, very, very big man, Dr. Justice Shremsal. You know me, Dr. Justice Shremsal. All right, so my people, I just quickly want to take you to Bulldog's what do you call it, claim and the relief that he's looking for. Per the writ that is taken to court. Now, we can't get into the merits of this matter because it's a matter that has been filed before a court, so it would be wrong and illegal and unlawful to get into the merits of the case. So we'll just touch the borders of the matter so you can have an insight into the statement of claim. Now, a declaration of the court that the series of publication made by the defendant as particularized in the statement of claim are defamatory to the plaintiff. 2. A declaration of the court that the series of publications made by the defendant in the statement of claim are malicious. An order of the court directed at the defendant to, on all his social media pages and accounts, make a publication on 7 consecutive days of an unqualified retraction of the unwarranted apology for the defamatory words that the defendant has published about the plaintiff. Such retraction and apology should be vetted and approved by the plaintiff's lawyers. Hey, Charlie? Yeah, so 7 days, Shatta go apologize on that be what they want on the social media handles and therefore approve the apology. That means the details must be vetted and approved by Bulldog's lawyer before he can post it. These are some of the remedies that they are seeking for. An order of the court for perpetual injunction restraining the defendant, his agents, workmen, assigns, and servants from publishing or further publishing any defamatory words against the plaintiff, general damages for defamation, special damages for defamation, punitive damages for malicious publication of falsehood against the plaintiff, cost, and any other orders or remedies that the court may deem fit. All right, so in a nutshell, this is what a Bulldog is seeking the court to do for him. And the issues range from the issues regarding allegations made against Bulldog, mentioning ex-President Mahama's name, Nanado's name, and even Fennec Autry's issue also is part of the writ, his case. All right, so in a nutshell, that is the issue. And so many people were on Shatta Wale's, social media handles expecting Shatta no they fear nothing. Shatta no they fear who, where. Shatta Wale they can't respond. Hey. No show. People, they watch, say, Shatta they come live. They come live, no show. My people, when it comes to court case, it's not a matter of showbiz issue again. So Shatta Wale, I think that's a right move. Right now, please keep quiet. Yeah, because right now you've muddied the waters enough. Keep quiet and let your legal team handle the rest of the matter. You know, it's unfortunate that no member of your team could advise you, but anyway, the harm has already been done. All right, so people, enough of Shatta Wale and Bulldog in matter.